Hey guys, welcome back to Earnest Reviews. Today we are going to review a product called BeastMode Social. This BeastMode Social is going live in a couple of hours today. And let's review and see how good this product is. And especially if you have been in Facebook marketing, you must have been wondering why my friends are not seeing my videos in spite of repeated requests. They are not putting a like, they hardly share your videos. You really wonder whether you should ask them or not the next time. Stop asking friends. There is a larger audience out there who are waiting to hear from you. Or maybe they are looking forward for the products or the benefits what you are offering. So this is what BeastMode Social is all about. Let's review the product and we'll see how well this is going to help you in your marketing. So guys, let's start the review on BeastMode Social. As I told you, it's about Facebook and it's a great media, Facebook. It's our world's largest social network, and with BeastMode Social, you get a done-for-you Facebook audience. There's no need to ask your friends to like your product, your stuff, your videos, etc. What if you get a real engagement on Facebook? What if you had a software which builds your Facebook audience for you? Introducing BeastMode Social, which builds a real audience on Facebook fast. It's time to build a real presence on the world's largest social network, a done-for-you Facebook audience. It's true, Facebook sucks. It's super hard to get engagements, and it seems almost impossible to attract the right audience on the platform. It's enough to make you want to throw up thinking all is a waste of time. It gets only 1 or 2 likes most of the time after you put in your hard effort and time. Or maybe you go ahead, work like a slave to get the right algorithm, desperate, follow everyone and anyone you get noticed. So you can gain instant access, find friends based on the criteria you set, remove unresponsive friends automatically, and approve friends based on your own preset criteria. This is what it is all about in brief. You will be able to go through the video, what I'm showing, the demo, as well as the sales page on your own to understand better. But it all amounts to the simple things what I told you right away. Let's talk about my bonus, honestly awesome bonuses, and also the bonus what the vendor will give. You can get it now free once you click on the link below and buy BeastMode Social from me. Bonus number 1, you get high impact WordPress slideshows. It's an eye-catching, high impact, flexible slideshows in minutes. Bonus number 2, you get 100 mobile website templates. Saves times and boosts sales with this amazing 100 templates. Mobile website templates are simple to set up and easy to deploy quickly. You have the bonus number 3. It's a done-for-you Autoresponder templates. Get 100 plus plug-and-play email marketing auto-response messages. And bonus number 4 is done-for-you email marketing templates. There are 49 done-for-you email templates written exclusively by an email expert. So it's easy for you to just paste and copy your contents. And other than that, the vendor bonus number 1 is a social media mastery. Want to finally break through and start making serious money online? If so, you need to master social media. Our experts will guide you to the marketplace so that you can finally succeed where so many others have failed. The perfect companion to BeastMode Social. Bonus number 2 is a local video jackpot. Eric's award-winning course and done for you business in a box, showing you how to make money selling simple videos to local businesses. Bonus number 3 is a premium themes and plugins. Sell these, give them away, use as a bonus. Others pay big money for these but you not only get them free, you can even use them as your own bonus. We have traffic multiplier. Look, you can have the best offers, the best mock-ups, and even a professional WordPress theme, but if you don't also have traffic coming to your site, then it won't matter. The good news is we have done the research and found all the best ways to generate massive amounts of traffic. The best part, all these methods are free. Bonus number 5, lead generation is for beginners. So you draw the traffic and you build your website, but you do not want to know how to maximize that traffic. That's what leads generation for beginners is all about. In this course, we'll teach you how to generate massive numbers of leads to your business. Bonus number 6 is the Insta bio link. Ever try to use more than one link on Instagram or TikTok? How about Aquara Bios? With this new software, you can create multiple links, schedule them, and even look at analytics. These are all worth a good sum, and all this you're going to get it free when you go for BeastMode Social. Click here to secure your copy and the bonuses. Okay? I'll also show you a demo video about the product. It'll make it easier for you to decide whether this is the product you have been looking for to master Facebook and take all the benefits what Facebook offers, the leading social media. So a brief look into
Jim knows there's a ton of traffic to be had on Facebook. It is, after all, the world's largest social network. He knows that if he can only figure out how to friend the right people, he can get all the traffic he wants and needs. So Jim decided to do whatever it takes, even though that means that he'll spend nights and weekends wasting time looking at friend requests and endlessly friending and unfriending people based on how likely they are to help his business, and basically ignoring his core business just so he can chase the occasional mildly viral post on Facebook. Jim has tried and tried and tried again. He's gotten to the point where he barely sees his family anymore, and his only interaction with so-called friends is with the people he friends or unfriends on Facebook. He has tried so hard to build his presence, and yet, no matter how hard he tries, he can't seem to break through. Nothing has worked, and he's exhausted. Worse, his primary business is suffering because he's been so busy trying desperately to chase that perfect list of 5,000 Facebook friends. His wife thinks he should just give up. "We never see you anymore, and all I ever hear about is Facebook, Facebook, Facebook. Did you marry me or Mark Zuckerberg?" she asks in desperation. Jim is haunted. He's seen people with an almost superhuman ability to build a friends list on Facebook that's responsive and willing to buy whatever they sell. But how they do it is a mystery to him. Should he just give up? Try paid advertising? SEO? Yeah, because that works so well and has no competition, right? Jim is stuck, and if you're like him, you're probably stuck too. Is there any hope? The truth is, if you follow the normal rules, there isn't. Unless you want to spend all day every day on Facebook, you just can't win. But you can cheat, legally. Introducing BeastMode.Social. Our powerful suite of software is designed to allow you to build the Facebook audience you've always dreamed of. And the best part is that it does this work automatically, freeing you to spend more time with your family and doing what you do best, building your business. Thanks to our unprecedented software, you can add friends or remove them as needed, and even find the right friends based on criteria you specify. Plus, we've included a set of viral-ready Facebook content which you can use to get a head start. In other words, for the first time, the playing field is leveled and you can start to build your business and let our software build your Facebook audience for you. Click below right now to get started.
So a brief look into the sales page. I'll just run through it. You can see it anytime you want. There is an introduction. There is a video. You can see it leisurely. And the bonus is what I spoke to you about. So all these things are there. And there is also a money back guarantee. If you feel that this is a product which is not useful for you, then you can always take back your money 100%. And you also can keep my bonuses, absolutely no problem about that. So you have get the 100% guarantee, dual guarantee. Your money plus you also get 1,849 worth of the main products. Before we close, let's talk about the prices and the upsells. The front end costs you $17, and this is only during the launch period. After the launch, it will become $27. And you'll get a $3 discount. Nevertheless, that will be costing you $14 during the launch period and $24 after the launch. Front end includes comment responder, feed exchanger, feed filter, friend remover, friend marker, and friends approver. Everything is Facebook compliant and works as a Chromium plugin, so it's universal for all platforms. The upsell number 1. This costs you $97 in 2 payments, or it can be a downsell of $57 if you pay at one time for just the plugins. What it contains is the BeastMode Social on steroid for those who truly want to build their audience on Facebook. Automatically responds on Facebook Messenger, builds your audience using Facebook Messenger, like comments and engages with your Facebook feed, link saver, used for saving links on Facebook, group magnet, and another much demanded feature, build your group super fast. So these are the things you get in the upsell 1. It's very clearly defined, so you'll know what to purchase. Upsell number 2 is buy no pitch newsletter. This is a recurring offer. You get my 30-page no pitch newsletter every month filled with the best tips and tricks to build a life of freedom online. Everything you need to know in order to build a real business online. This is $32.95, or monthly it will be $12.95, or you can even go for a trial paying just $1. And upsell number 3, make a product with Eric. Brand new for this launch, you get a bank of my name and reputation, that is Eric's. You get a done for you bonus product where you record your own voice reading a script, and my team, Eric's team, adds it to professionally designed product complete with graphic, and the downsell gives you the same product, but you do the work yourself instead of doing it. So this is the thing about and these are the prices. Quite simple. So you can choose very clearly. It defines. You can choose which upsell you would require and when you require. Thank you for staying with me till the end, and I wish you will subscribe to my channel and also put a like if you like the product. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.